All right, so our walking lunge. Now I don't have much room with the camera, so forgive me. With our walking lunge, guys, what I want you to think about is, where is this being placed? What is the purpose for it? Is this a walking lunge to fatigue the legs towards the end of the session? Are we just trying to really get a ton of volume with both reps and weight into the legs, doing a unilateral movement? If that's the case, that's fine. Get it done. Make sure you get the range so knee goes down to the ground. And I'd always say try and really drive that knee over toe, okay? Don't step it out so that shin is straight up and down. Really try to get the knee over toe, okay? Now, on the flip, if we have a walking lunge over a certain distance, it's a little bit lighter weight, but it's in your plyometric or power phase of the program. Then we want to think about, okay, with every step, so every time I land into the lunge, coming into that eccentric phase. So when I land in the lunge, I want to land with intent, drive up, come over. So I'm spending a lot of time, almost like a lot of hang time in the top of that lunge, bang, land in again. Obviously you heard my foot slap, that's just for dramatic effect. But think about that. So if we're looking at powering out of the bottom, or we're coming in and powering into that eccentric phase or the down phase, we're trying to stop suddenly. This is going to help translate into drills when we start doing running drills or sprint drills or agility, speed drills, any type of running, where we need you to get down low, slow, let all that weight come onto the leg, then potentially transition direction or pick up speed and go again. Okay, so very important for rugby, rugby league, AFL, NFL, all of those football codes, football. Very, very important there. So as well as also tennis and all of that, when we need to stop suddenly and then power out. Think about where and when we have this placed, and think about the intent behind it. So what is the intent behind it? Are we wanting to just fatigue you at the end of the session with a leg exercise that's unilateral? So walking lunges, that's completely fine. That's maybe what we want, maybe what is required in your program and in the phase. Or are we trying to work this in specifically with something that will translate into ball sport or a running drill or anything else? So think about that intent and think about what's required for it, all right? Because you can use the same weight for both exercises, yet have a completely different outcome if the intent is different, okay? Think about that with your walking lunge.